Are you looking for the TOP5 best corded circular saw for home? In this video, we will look at some of the TOP5 best corded circular saw for home on the market. For more details and price, click product link. Please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1, BOSCH HC Stand 71/4-inch 15-amp circular saw. The runner-up from BOSCH is another solidly built 15-amp 71/4-inch saw. It has a maximum depth of 27/16 inches and beveling to 56 degrees, with detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. The 24-tooth blade will tackle most workshop and site jobs with ease. It weighs 10.2 pounds. There are simple levers for fast adjustment and an onboard wrench for blade changes. Like the DeWalt, there's a dust blower and a snag-free blade guard. The BOSCH doesn't quite match the DeWalt on a few key statistics, but remains an excellent all-rounder and one that is very competitively priced. A carry bag is a nice extra. Number 2, Makita 5007 mg Magnesium 71/4-inch circular saw. The 71/4-inch Makita circular saw has a powerful 15-amp motor, with precision gearing designed for maximum power transmission. At 21/2 inches, the maximum depth of cut isn't particularly impressive, but the high-performance 24-tooth blade will cut effortlessly through just about all job site framing, flooring, roofing, and paneling materials. Beveling goes to 56 degrees, with detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Levers make adjustments quick and easy, while shoe and blade guards are magnesium to reduce weight. It's a measure of the tool's toughness that it still weighs 10.1 pounds. A clear scale is marked on the leading edge of the shoe, and twin LED light the cut path. There's a dust blower, too. The job site theme continues with the provision of a rep fence and a sturdy storage case. Number 3, CRAFTSMAN 71/4-inch circular saw, 15-amp. CMES of 110. The 71/4-inch CRAFTSMAN corded circular saw has a powerful 15-amp motor driving a fast-cutting 18-tooth blade. A 24-tooth version is available. The 21/8-inch depth of cut is a fraction less than some but still more than enough for many types of dimension lumber. Maximum bevel is 55 degrees, with the usual detents at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Both adjustments are tool-free. Perhaps surprisingly on a budget circular saw, the shoe is magnesium, though this does little to minimize the 11-pound weight. However, blade guards are durable steel rather than the plastic found on some low-cost saws. A useful rafter hook completes the specification. Number 4, SKIL 5281 circular saw with single-beam laser. Even without the laser beam, this corded circular saw from SKIL is an impressive tool. There are 15 amps of power driving a 71/4-inch 24-tooth blade. At 23/8 inches, the maximum cutting depth is similar to many rivals. There are 51 degrees of bevel available, with a detent at 45 degrees. As expected from a quality tool, adjustments are by quickset levers. The main feature is the laser, which projects a thin beam allowing accurate following of cut lines. This is particularly useful when it's difficult to see the blade. There is also a dust blower to clear the path and a snag-free blade guard for smooth operation. The SKIL weighs a reasonable 8.7 pounds. It is a great circular saw for the home workshop at a very competitive price. Number 5, Makita 5477 MB 71/4 Hypoid Saw. The Makita Hypoid Saw is aimed more at the contractor than the home workshop user, though dyers undertaking substantial remodeling jobs might find it well worth the investment. With the large contact area of its Hypoid gears, the Makita transfers more of its 15-amp power to the 71/4-inch 24-tooth blade. This means consistent cutting to its 23/8-inch maximum depth with no risk of stalling. Beveling is available to 51.5 degrees, with 22.5 and 45 degree detents. The shoe is steel for job site durability and has been chemically treated to prevent rust. Its useful rafter hook underlines the Makita's target market of roofers, framers, and other carpentry trades. The 14.3-pound weight reflects the robust construction intended for tough working environments.